Hello everyone, once again I welcome you all in my YouTube channel that is B Scholar in Studies. So as you already know that I have started a new series of entrepreneurship CBSC class 12th. So I'm going to start with the another topic of chapter 1, that is creativity process. So first of all I would like to define the meaning of creativity. As a layman, we can say that creativity is a skill or a ability of a person to introduce something new by the usage of imagination. Everyone has the skill of imagination. By using this skill, any individual can introduce something new. So this is the most important skill of an entrepreneur, which actually differentiate a common businessman from an entrepreneur. Now in front of you there is a picture which is showing that as an individual how do we use our creativity skill. First we observe by using our senses like eyes, ears, tongue, brain, etc. Then the second step is analysis. We analyze the gathered information, what is important and what is not. The third is incubation. Incubation means when we use our imagination. After gathering the information, we find out that what is important, which idea is good enough, and then we use our imagination to actually create something, which is the last one, creativity. So now I would like to show you the real process of creativity, which is having 5 phases. The first one is idea germination, the second is preparation, third is incubation, then fourth is illumination, and the last and the most important is verification. These all are the phases in which an entrepreneur in actual introduces something new in the market, or he uses his creativity. So now I would like to explain the process from the first stage. The first phase of creativity process is idea germination, which is also known as seeding stage, or it is a basic stage in which an entrepreneur studies the problem, needs and wants of the people, and then he come up with certain output, and this problem can be further converted into opportunity. Here one example in your book is written of Mansukh Bhai Prajapati. He saw the problem of his wife, and then he come up with the ideas of clay refrigerator. He thought that he should invent a refrigerator which is not using electricity and which is eco-friendly. Then he used his imagination, and then he converted his idea into reality. Then the second stage is preparation. In this stage, an entrepreneur thinks about the solution of the problem, the solution what he identified in the first phase. This is a homework phase in which an entrepreneur tries to gather all sort of information which is available in the market, and then it leads to the third stage, which is incubation. This is the stage where an entrepreneur uses his subconscious mind and imagination phase. He thinks about the idea and his implementation in his subconscious mind. This is the very crucial stage in which actually in the mind the production process starts. Then it leads to the next, the fourth stage, which is illumination. Illumination, as its name suggests, enlighten something, means an entrepreneur come up actual with some concrete result in the real. This is the period in which the idea resurfaces in the realistic way. An entrepreneur comes out with some concrete plan to give the practical shape of his imagination. Then the last phase, and this is the most important phase, that is verification. This stage is also known as validation stage, in which the production or the innovation is being done, and now this is the phase when the product will be launched. So in the process of launching, whatever problems will occur, here an entrepreneur has to face all those challenges. If the population or the common public accept the innovation or the invention, then there is a good chances of becoming success. If it is failure, then he has to rethink or reanalyze from the seeding stage, that was germination stage. So this is how we can see that creativity process actually works. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.